Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Pure Sniper. And in this tutorial guys, I'm going to share with you that how I actually can get a mod which works for the both devices, iOS and Android. The guys, it's very simple to do it, so make sure you watch the video until the end to understand everything you know. And with this mod guys, you will get unlimited resources. You can see right over here, unlimited gold and cash. So I'm going to share with you that how you actually can do it. You just make sure you have good connection with internet guys, and just go to your internet browser, search about this website. It's called Modelix. Okay, here we are. Once you're gonna enter inside guys, you have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested, but you can use the searching bar for faster. Type the name of the game, Pure Sniper. Here it is guys. You have information about the game and the mod here in the corner, and in the corner you have the install button guys. You just need to press it and you just need to complete the steps required, and it's going to be able to get the mod same as me. So this is it guys, how it was helping you. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Cheers.